Hey, what is up guys, welcome to some other videos. So in this video we are going to be replacing the rear bumper on the Nissan Maxima. If you follow the channel, I love getting replacement parts that has to be painted from my friends over at MBI Auto. If you follow the channel, it's also nice to see the car off the ramps and move finally. But if you follow the channel, you know I got in both front fenders and the front bumper from them. And you can tell the paint is spot on and everything. Don't mind it. The car is dirty. I gotta wash it and detail it. And it's also nice to have not that many parts left to install. So I still got the front and rear brake calipers I gotta install. Let me go back here. That's stuff for the Toyota minus spare parts I got that I took off. So I got some parts for the rear. So for the next week or two, videos will be concentrated. Well, like for me, it's gonna be videos from the rear. But in the meantime, I still got a whole bunch of videos from the front end that I haven't finished yet. I gotta finish editing and then upload. So most likely, the videos for the front will be getting uploaded before I do the rears. Because I still got videos back from February that I still haven't finished editing and stuff like that. So yeah, and it's September, about to be October. But anyway, no further ado. All you're gonna need is a Phillips head. You're gonna need a Pry tool. I believe that was it. We're gonna get that off. I'm gonna set you on the tripod, and then we're gonna open this. And I got this painted to match as well with the rest of the car. Side note, I'm debating what I'm gonna do with the side skirts. You see, I got another one right here. I'm debating if I should replace the side skirts, because this side got damaged from when the car got delivered to me. This got caught with his trailer. You can see all the damages and stuff. It's been back and forth for a couple months between the truck driver and his insurance. He's declining that he did any damages, but I had photos and stuff. And that's been a headache. I just went ahead and got another one anyway. It's painted and all that. I'm debating if I should go with the Stilling instead and then just sell this side and then sell the passenger side. Nothing wrong with the passenger. I'm debating. I'm not sure yet. All right, so we're going to remove two clips. All right, never mind. It's supposed to be a clip right here and a clip right there. So scratch that. This is already free. All right. Should be a clip right here too. All right. So these two clips are still here. So one, actually no, just one. This one right here, and then it's supposed to be this ain't even connected either. All right, so it's supposed to be a little 10mm bolt right here. That's gone. So something was done to the rear. They didn't even put this mud guard on properly. You can see the screw underneath, but that's a hold that to the bumper. So on the driver's side, I just got to remove this one clip. Apparently there's nothing else holding the bumper beside. You can see why I want to replace it. So I thought I was done ordering parts from Nissan, so I'll be ordering some hardware for the rear bumper. I wonder what else I'll find back here. Alright, so we're gonna remove this 10mm. This side is free. There's nothing holding the back side, so I'll set that down on my new bumper. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So we're gonna have to remove the tail lights because there is a grommet. I see it right there. So there's a grommet holding underneath the bumper. So now, so we're gonna start removing all the grommet. So this one is a cargo net grommet. So you pull out the first latch first, and then pull out the second. Then we're gonna move this grommet. Now we're gonna remove this one right here. With that removed, we're gonna pull up on here. So once you pull up, you got the trunk cover sitting on top of the bottom portion. So let's remove that. And then you can move this whole panel. And then that'll expose another grommet. So we're gonna move that. And then we're gonna move the mat, cargo mat. And we're gonna pull this back. I already got all this separated. I'm gonna push this back, pull these back. And then these, if I remember correctly, they were 8 mils. It's been like almost a year since I've had to remove the tail lights. All right. Yeah, it's an 8. I can't find my deep socket, so I'm just using the slightly longer socket. Alright, now I'm gonna slide out the tail light. I'm gonna disconnect. Well, no. Alright, so here's the grommet that's holding on. So I'll remove that and be right back. Alright, I got that grommet out. Now we're gonna remove a 10 mil. Trying to make sure my tail light don't fall. 10 mil right here. I can hold a tripod now. So I'm gonna lift up the tail light and then pull the bumper away so I can set the tail light back in. Alright, so this is taken off. Now we're gonna repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. Right, let's see if this side is missing too. No, this one got the 10 mil in there. So we're gonna remove that 10 mil. Got a little extended. May need a swivel due to the location. Yeah, I'm gonna get a swivel. Alright. I'm back, got a swivel with a slightly longer extension. Alright, so that's where the 10 mil is, right there. So I'm gonna take that out. Alright, so far the passenger side ain't missing any hardware. So same thing, remove this. I might have to back the camera. Then we just move the camera. Alright, that's up. Pull this apart. Alright, same thing on the passenger. Pry tool. I'm gonna do the same thing. Remove the little 10 mil. And then lastly, that grommet right there. And it's off. Alright, we're gonna cut this open. I've done this all back, but it's gonna take time. Alright, so we're gonna put this on. I'll remove the tail lights to the side, that way I could get it into place, and then yeah, set y'all down probably right here. Alright, so already sounded like a whole lot better than what this was. So from these ain't included, so I'm gonna have to buy these from Nissan. Nissan sells these already painted, but so it's pretty much spot on. I'm trying to get it without the shadows. In person, it's spot on. But I'll probably do a time lapse for the rest of this video, just putting all the grommets and the tail lights back in. So I used the old bumper as a little holding. Alright, and this is the new bumper from MBI Auto. I did the economy, so the bumper comes folded. If you want to pay premium, it comes unfolded. And like I said, those mud flaps, I'm gonna order from Nissan. The ones on there are scratched up and everything. But I could have let this sit out here for at least half a day in the sun, but today's supposed to be cloudy and everything else. Plus, I just want to get this video out for y'all. I know how I handle these bumpers, so I don't go through the whole process of doing that, letting it unfold. So I just did it the way I did in the video. But when you order from MBI Auto, it says what to do. So like it says, completely unpackage the bumper. It simply needs some heat so it can return to a shape. You can place the bumper in direct sunlight or in a heated room for approximately 3 hours. Try applying some heat with air dryer or heat gun. Any fine tuning can be done during the paint, yada yada yada. So that's what y'all could have done. Me, I know what I'm doing and how to handle the bumpers without doing any of that. If you follow the channel, I did the same exact thing to the front bumper, and that's perfectly fine. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.